Hello friends, Professor Afaq here. In this video, I will explain about why study in Canada. Ample number of collaborative programs offering hands-on learning combined with more theoretical approach makes Canada on the best destination to pursue tertiary education overseas. The Canadian institution offer tailored programs and these courses may differ from campus to campus, but the ultimate goal is to provide service and support to ensure success of the students. You want to study in Canada? Yeah, the reasons are here. The Canadian universities are known for being consistently high quality and offering internationally accepted degrees and credentials. Some are ranked on top 100 by reputed resources as the Times Higher Education Supplement and Shanghai Jiangsu Tong University Academic Ranking of the World Universities. Various specialization programs under diploma, degree, postgraduate, diploma are offered around 200 institutions nationwide, and tuitions is generally much lower than the leading study abroad. Next is international students can expect to be assisted with university studies by such resources and the services as orientation sessions. International students can often work while they study and take advantage of it. Next part is cost of studying. Canadian institutions offer lower tuition rates than many other countries, which means international students can save considerably by studying in Canada. All Canadian institutions receive public funding through their provincial governments, which allows for the lower tuition fees and ensures all institutions adhere to the Code of Academic Standards. Next is your tuition fee. Tuition fees for the Canadian institution vary from coast to coast, institution to institution. On an average, students need to pay minimum $12,000 approximately to as high as Canadian $40,000, that is US $34,000 per year. Other than tuition fees, and international students would need to pay institution administration fees around Canadian dollar 100. International students application fees from around Canadian dollar 250. Compulsory fees for the students services of Canadian dollar around 500 to 1000. Next part is accommodation. Rent cost will vary greatly depending on where you study and if you live on or off campus. If you choose to live off campus, you will likely to pay around 600 Canadian dollar a month or rent a room and at least $1,800 a month to rent an apartment in the campus. If you are choosing off campus, it will cost more. Next part is scholarship to study in Canada. Scholarship and award for international students are available with exceptional results at various Canadian institutions. The amount and type of award varies from one institution to another institution. Canadian government and institution offer some financial aid to international students. Canadian government scholarships are Banting Postdoctoral Fellowship, Canada Graduate Scholarships, Master Program, IDRC Research Award, NSERC Postgraduate Scholarships, Organization of American States OAS Academic Scholarship Program, then Vanier Canada Graduate Scholarship Program. These are the government scholarships. Now the most important part while studying abroad is visa. In Canada, the student visa is often referred as study permit. It is important that you make sure you have correct study permit for your international studies before you leave for Canada. The Canadian Immigration Authority is called Immigration, Refugees and Citizenship Canada. As study permit conditions can change quickly, you will need to make sure you follow up the date advice. The best place to find the advice is Immigration, Refugees and Citizenship Canada website. The following steps outline are the process of applying study permit in Canada. Step 1 is understand the visa process. Step 2, collect visa document, and following document and set of documents are required for the visa. First is the passport, second passport size photograph, unconditional letter of acceptance, fees receipt, scholarship letter, then any relevant correspondence with the institutions, financial documents, academic documents, test scores, work experience certificate if applicable, medical report if already undertaken. Third step, check provincial guidelines. And fourth, submit application online through IRCC website or proper submission at VFS offices for Canada. These are three categories where students can file their visa applicants with SPP. And the last and most important part is employment prospects. In Canada, work rights are available to international students while studying and also upon finishing a degree or diploma. During your studies, Canada recently announced new regulation for international students. As of June 2014, students do not need to apply for separate work visa to work off campus and eligible work as soon as their program of study begins. Canada provides extensive work and career opportunities for all types of students. Many institutions in Canada offer cooperative education program. This is structured program where the students alternate methods are available between periods of the work and study. The integrated curriculum is achieved through the partnership between the education institution and industry. After graduation, international graduates from Canadian higher education institutions have an opportunity to work in Canada for up to 3 years following the completion of their program. To work in Canada after you graduate, you must apply for the work permit under the post graduation work. Thank you for watching my video. Have a great day ahead. Subscribe my channel, please.